So welcome to Electronics Shikshalaya, and we are in digital electronics lecture series. Today the topic of discussion is the signed binary arithmetic. Okay, so how that signed binary arithmetic operation is done by the help of 1's complement method and 2's complement method that we are going to discuss. Okay, so in 1's complement, if the result is the result is there is extra bit, okay, then this is called the end around carry. Okay, that carry will be added to the result. Okay, similarly, if we have the we are doing in 2's complement arithmetic, then the extra bit, that is the carry, if the carry is generated, we have to ignore the carry. Okay, so if the carry is generated in 1's complement, that is the end around carry, that should be added to that result. Okay, but in case of 2's complement, that carry will be ignored. Okay, similarly, for the positive or negative number, if the number is MSB bit is 0, it is a positive number. Okay, and we don't need to do anything. Okay, similarly, if the number is means MSB is 1, the number is negative, then we can have the complement of that number to get back into the true binary form. Okay, so let us begin our discussion. So first one is your 1's complement arithmetic. So after the principle behind it, let us see. So first what you have to do is that take the 1's complement of the subtrahend. Okay. Next is your add the 1's complement to the minor, where you are doing the subtraction in this case. Okay. So take the 1's complement of the subtrahend, then add the 1's complement of the minor, then uh, this if there is a carry, then bring it out. This is the n around carry. Okay, so it is to be the LSB, that is the means you have to add that the carry with the result. Okay, so you can see if MSB is 0, last one is if the result of the operation, in this case if the MSB is 0, the result is positive and it is in the true binary form. So if MSB equal to 1, the result is negative, and you have to take the 1's complement form. Okay, so it is in the 1's complement form. Then what we are doing for the negative result, take the 1's complement to get back to the true binary form or magnitude sign magnitude form. Okay, so let us check some with some examples. So this is a 25, so you have to subtract it, that is the minor is 25 and subtrahend is 14. Okay, so subtract 14 from 25 using 8 bit 1's complement arithmetic. Okay. So let us see this. So 25. So first you have to find out the binary of 25. Okay. So this is the binary of 25. Okay. So for 1's complement, this is the actually in the positive number, in one, whether it is 1's complement, 2's complement, it is same as the sign magnitude form. So it is 1's complement, you can say for positive number it is same as the sign magnitude form. Okay. So you can see this is the magnitude of that number, this is the magnitude up to this 11001. This is the magnitude of the number. For positive number, it is the 0. MSB bit is 0. Okay. So this is the 1's complement of plus 25. Similarly, for finding out the 1's complement of minus 14, so you need to find out what is the 1's complement or sign magnitude form of the plus 14. Okay, so then you have to take complement. So plus 14, this is the sign magnitude form, or means for positive number, this is the 1110 is the magnitude, and this is the sign bit. So this is the plus 14 means 1's complement form. Okay, then you have to take the 1's complement of positive number, corresponding positive number. That will be the means negative 14. This is the 1's complement arithmetic or form. Okay. Then 25 we have got. Then minus 14 you have got. Okay, we have got. Then you have to add this two. Okay. So 25 we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 25. And 14 we have 0, 0, 0. This is minus 14 by the way. 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. These two numbers will be added. Okay. So you can see if you have added these two numbers. Okay. Sorry, this is the minus 14. What is the 1's complement of minus 1? This one. So this number will be added. Okay. Not this one. This is the plus 14. So minus 14 actually. So we have 25. This is minus 14. Okay. So this is the 1's complement of minus 14. This is the 1's complement of plus 25. Okay. Then these two numbers will be added. Okay. So you can see these two numbers will be added. Then if there is a carry, you can see there is a overflow. Okay. So if there is a, this is called the n around carry. If there is a n around carry, you should add this. Okay, so there is a addition. Okay, this n around carry will be added. Okay, so that will be, this carry will be added. Okay, that will be +1. Okay, so we have this result. Okay, so this is in the true binary form, because this is the MSB, you can see this is the 0. If the MSB is 0, it is in the true binary form. You don't have to means take the 1's complement of that number. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so it will be 25. So this is +11. Okay, the result is your +11. Okay, so you can see the MSB is 0, positive. So this is the number. So +11. Okay, so this is how we can subtract using the 1's complement arithmetic. Similarly, -25 +14. Okay, there is, you need to find out the what is the 1's complement of -25, then also +14. So this is +14. So this is the same. Okay, the 1's complement sign magnitudes of the positive number are same. So this is the means sign magnitude or 1's complement of +14. For negative number, what we have to do? You first find out what is this positive number in the sign magnitude form. Okay, so this is the positive number of +25. Okay, in sign magnitude form. Then for the 1's complement, you just take the 1's complement of this number. Okay, this is 1's complement of this one. That will be the 1's complement of -25. Okay, for negative numbers, what we are doing, we are having the 1's complement of corresponding positive number. Okay, so that is the thing. So let us add these two numbers. So this is the addition. Okay, this is the addition. This is for +14. This is for -25. So these two numbers will be added. So after addition, you can see there is no carry over here, but there is a negative, because the number is negative. Because we have a MSB bit, you can see is 1. So that is why the number is negative. So you have to again take the 1's complement to get back to the true binary form. So this is our true binary form. Okay. So again the result is at -11. Okay, because this number is negative, so negative. This is 1 so -11. Okay. Next one is here. This is the -14, and again two numbers are negative numbers. So again you can take the negative numbers. Both are in the 1's complement form. You can have the -25 in 1's complement form. You can find out the -14. What is -14 in 1's complement form? Okay, then you have to add. Okay. These two numbers, these are the in one. Again, we have actually these numbers are in 1's complement. Okay, both numbers are in 1's complement arithmetic. Okay, these two numbers are will be added. Okay, so you can see there is the end around carry. This should be added. Okay, this end around carry. If we are doing the 1's complement arithmetic, that should be added. Okay, so this is the result. You can see the MSB is now, is 1. So the number is negative. Okay. So what we will do? We have to take the 1's complement of this number. Okay. So that will be the result. So this is nothing but the 39. Because this is a negative number, so you can write -39. Okay. Then last one is here. Both are positive numbers. So what we can do? This is very easy. So first find out what is 25. Then first find out what is 14. Okay. You don't need to find out what is the 1's complement. Okay, because the numbers are positive. Okay, because of the numbers are positive, just what is convert 25 into binary form. Okay, so it will be 11001. Okay, then because it is 8-bit, if the question is given as 8-bit, that is why we are appending 2 zeros. If the question is not giving 8-bit, then you can have the sign bit here. So this will be the sign bit. Okay. So anyway, the question is asking for the 8-bit. That is why this is the sign bit. Similarly, +14. These are the magnitude bits. Okay, and this is the sign bit. Okay, this is the sign bit. So both numbers should be added. Okay. Okay, these are the actually 1's complement. These are the in the 1's complement. This is also in the 1's complement, because positive number in 1's complement form is same as that of the sign magnitude form of that positive number. Okay. So this the number is actually MSB is here, MSB is 0, so the number is positive. Okay, so there is no carry, the MSB is 0 because the result is positive, so it is in the true binary form. Okay, so this is how you can do the arithmetic operation using the 1's complement. Okay, so let us see. Again, the result is +39, 2's complement. So let us see what is the 2's complement. So take the 2's complement of the subtrahend, then add the 2's complement of the subtrahend to the minute. Then if there is a carry, you have to ignore it. In this case, if you are doing the 2's complement arithmetic, you have to ignore that carry. Okay. So result intervention same. Okay. If MSB equal to 0, result is positive, and it is in the true binary form. If MSB equal to 1, the result is negative, and you have to it is in 2's complement form, and we have to take the you have to take the for negative result. We have to take the 2's complement to obtain the magnitude part. Okay. Let us check with some examples. So 46 minus 14. Okay. So 46 is normal. It is the positive. For minus 14, you need to find out what is the 1's complement of that. Okay, positive number. So this is the plus 14. So now take the 1's complement. Okay. Then actually it is the 2's complement we are doing. So plus add 1. Add 1 to this. So that will be our minus 14 2's complement form. Okay. Then add this number to 46. This is the 46. So add this. This is the actually plus 46. Okay, this is the plus 46 2's complement of plus 46. This is the minus 14 2's complement representation of minus 14. So add these two numbers. Okay, so there is a end around means carry is there. So you have to ignore that carry. Okay, so you have to ignore that carry. So result is this one. Here the MSB is 0, so the result is positive. Okay, so it will be 32. Okay, next one is here. So 26 minus 75. Okay, so again 75 you need to find out what is the means 2's complement of 75. Okay, plus 75 plus 75. Okay, so you need to find out what is plus 75 first. So this is the plus 75. Then you will take the 1's complement of this number, then add 1 to get the 2's complement of minus 75. Okay. Now add 26 to that. Okay. So 26 we have, this one is the 26. Okay. Then add the 26 to this number. Okay. 75. Okay. So this is our, you can see this is the plus 26 2's complement arithmetic, and this is the means minus 75 2's complement arithmetic. Just add these two. So you can see after addition what we have, no carry. Okay, so no carry, but the MSB is, you can see 1, so the number is negative. So again you have to take the 2's complement of this. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, this is your 49. Okay, so result is minus 49 because the number is negative. Okay, so let us take the comparison. Okay, so we have done subtraction. So both what we are doing, add the 1's complement of the subtraction, here also add the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Okay. If they carry out, there is a n around carry, so add to the LSB. In this case, you have to ignore that carry. Okay. If the MSB is 0, the number is in the positive. This is the number in the positive number, and it is in true magnitude form, same as this. Okay. Similarly, if the number is negative, you can take the 1's complement to get to the magnitude part. Okay. Similarly, if the number is negative here, we are doing the 2's complement of that number. Okay. So negative magnitude, take the 1's complement. For negative magnitude in the 2's complement, you have to take the 2's complement. Okay. So this is the 1's complements is just the end around carry. That carry should be added to that LSB. Okay. Similarly, in 2's complement, if there is extra bit, you have to ignore that carry. Okay. So thank you all. So that's all for today. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can free to ask me in the comment section. Okay. Thank you all, and we'll meet in the next lecture.